So here's something I've been really excited to make for quite some time. These are double thick cut, double bone rib in pork chops. So if you look here, um, you've got basically the same as a rack of ribs, and this is the meat that's still attached to it. So they're ginormous. And what I did was I did a bit of a salt brine on them for a few hours. But I'm going to cook these in a unique way today. I'm actually going to cook them in a pizza oven. And as you know, there's no smoke in a gas-fired pizza oven. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go heavily with Kiss of Smoke onto the meat, because there's a lot of meat here. There's a lot to penetrate. And so I'm just going to give it an excessive amount of Kiss of Smoke on all sides here. And what that's going to do is it's going to allow this pork to get some delicious smoky flavor inside of the propane pizza oven. And I've got a really cool grilling insert for my pizza oven that I'll be showing you as well. And I think you're going to enjoy it. So I'm just going to let the seasoning hang out, do its thing for a few minutes, and we will get cooking. All right, so we are about ready to get these big ass pork chops going in the Gozney dome here. I'm going to put a little bit more Kiss of Smoke on, just because they're so thick. I really want to make sure that they develop a nice bark. But again, I love the flavor of Kiss of Smoke. I love the additional smokiness it brings. Now, going onto a unique thing here. This is a grill pan for inside of your pizza oven, and I've actually had it preheating for a good bit of time at this point. So I'm going to just go right in and let that rip, and see if you can get a view of it. Yeah, so we're going to monitor the temperature and let this cook, and show you how it looks just a bit. So it's only been a few minutes, but we're going to give these pork chops a little look, and they're really looking great. The tops are taking on some color for sure, and they're temping out at about 55 degrees, so let them continue to cook. Alright, so these pork chops, they're definitely ready for a flip. Hopefully you can see that they just look amazing. And this has been cooking for a bit here in the pizza oven, and it's gonna, what I like about it is, it takes a little bit of time, but it lets the meat really render and kind of do its stuff. And so, I mean, even like that, it would be beautiful, but we still have about 35, 40 degrees to go. So I'm just going to flip these. And I mean, as you can see, like, the GrillGrates put amazing grill marks, as we know from our steaks and our Kamado grills and our other charcoal grills. So there's no reason why it wouldn't be the same here inside of your pizza oven. And yeah, let's get this back into the Gozney dome here, and go ahead and continue cooking, and we'll let these rest in a little bit when they're close to being done. Okay, so our pork chops aren't quite done yet. We've got about 15 degrees to go, and I might even cook them a little bit on the underside and just let the carryover cooking do its thing. But what I want you to see is, like, look how beautiful this is. Now, I love my pizza ovens. I love cooking pizza, but I can't make pizza every night of the week, but I can grill, roast, bake, every night of the week. And so when I have the opportunity to fire up my pizza oven and have a little fun and, cook a pork chop that's just ridiculously thick, I mean, why not do it? And the beauty of it is, I can control the temperature. I can cook, I mean, boy, anywhere between 325 and 900 degrees if I want to. I don't need to, but it's just a great method for cooking, and I'm really excited to just do more grilling with this GrillGrates pizza oven insert, and not just here in the Gozney Dome, but to try other pizza ovens that I have. Try the Rock Box, try my Blackstones, both the rotating turntable and just the griddle insert. So anyhow, this has been a fun first double thick pork chop cook, and it's about done. We'll let her finish up. All right, so my thermometer has told me that the meat is done cooking. It is rested, and I'll tell you what, it looks pretty amazing. I mean, like, the fat has rendered from the edges. The kiss of smoke has provided a little bit of color, but I can't wait to just dive into this and enjoy how it tastes. So yeah, there's no reason that you can't fire up your pizza oven really almost every night of the week. You can grill, you can roast, you can bake. I think that this accessory from GrillGrates is going to be an absolute game changer, and very excited that I've had the opportunity to try it, and there certainly will be a lot more food getting made in the pizza oven in the near future. So thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and